Hi class, today we're going to do a basic review of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Office Word 2007 is very similar to the previous versions of Word, but there are a few differences. Today we want to make sure that we all have the basics down so that later on in the course this will be very easy to manipulate when we deal with the course content. If you look up here at this little Windows design, this is where you can open a new document, open a document, save as, publish, create, and this is also where you change your word options. In here, you can change your grammatic options with proofing, you can customize your toolbars, you can change the display, and there are many popular options. I just wanted to show you this because in this version of Word it can be a little tricky to find. I've already typed up a text so I can show you some basic formatting. Hello class, I am Kelly Johnson, and I think I want my name to stand out, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to make it bold. Your teacher for this online course. In this example, we are going to learn how to format text and features in the Word program. This is just a basic review, so please visit the other content provided in course content. Alright. Now, I don't really like this font, and when I'm dealing with design, I need to make sure that I pick a font that is easy to format on any computer and that most computers can read. So I will probably just pick an Arial font. Also, I'm going to make it a standard size 12. After that, I don't really want a black text, so I'm going to go up here to where the little A is, where font color is, and I'm going to change it. I'm a big fan of blue, so I'm going to pick up blue font for this. Now, in your assignment, you have to bullet some key points. So if you go up here, you can adjust the type of bullets you want. I want the little arrows, so I'm going to start bulleting things about myself. I teach 5th grade at Cropper Mill Elementary School. I have a dog and cat. I've been married for over 2.5 years. And then I might add another bullet a little bit deeper in and say my husband is a teacher in Howard County. His name is Brian. I might decide I want to italicize this, so I can just go up to the top and italicize. Another item that we would like to add into Microsoft Word would be some clip art. If you go up to Insert, you can go to Clip Art, which I really recommend you do pictures instead, but I'm going to insert a symbol about myself. I like wolves, so I'm going to type in the word wolves, and I'm going to pull up a picture. I really like this picture, so I'm going to insert it into my file and realize it's probably going to be too big. So, I'm going to hold down my Shift key and I'm going to make it the size I want. And I'm also going to drag it from the corner. By keeping this dragged from the corner, it keeps the size of my picture and all of the aspect ratios so the picture does not become blurry. Now, one option I might want to do with this is do the text wrapping, and I might put this in front of the text. That way I can move this anywhere I want around my Word document. Otherwise, sometimes pictures can be a little difficult to use. Another feature that I would like you to take a look at is the feature where you're able to check your spelling. The spelling and grammar check is under review. If you click up here, it'll check my document. Fortunately, I have one unknown word, which is clopper. I could choose to ignore it, I could choose to change it, and I could choose to add it. When I'm done, it gives me a brief summary of my words, what level it's written on, and how easy it is to read. Once I have my file completed, I'm going to save as. For this class, it's important to save files as your last name and what it is. So this is going to be Johnson Word Practice. Make sure you save it in a place that's easy for you to find on your computer. Once you save it, you're all set to go. Please see the Word practice sheet for more information for your assignment.